At sunrise, the pulse of industry begins. Welcome to the world's largest excavator manufacturing facility, a marvel of modern engineering.
This massive plate represents the premium steel required for the next generation of heavy excavators.
Utilizing advanced CNC technology, the laser precisely navigates the massive steel, achieving unparalleled accuracy in modern fabrication. This state-of-the-art system ensures that every cut on the excavator chassis is flawless, a testament to modern engineering. Ensuring precision is paramount. Every single component undergoes rigorous inspection, guaranteeing the structural integrity of the form. Here we see the hydraulic forming process in action. The massive upper die slowly descends, applying immense force to the high-strength steel alloy. Here we see the automated welding process, where synchronized robotic arms fuse the heavy steel plates of the excavator chassis with incredible precision. Skilled craftsmanship is essential here. The welder must maintain absolute focus, guiding the molten metal with practiced ease to ensure a perfect seal.
The assembly of these massive excavator booms requires precision engineering and the careful coordination of man and machine.
Utilizing advanced laser guidance, the robotic positioning systems achieve unparalleled alignment, critical for the structural integrity of the excavator arm.
Built for endurance, these heavy-duty buckets rely on the strength of their steel teeth. The welding process creates an ultra-detailed, utilizing the incompressible nature of fluid. Hydraulics translates small forces into the massive power required to move the heaviest loads on Earth. By utilizing incompressible fluid under pressure, the hydraulic system transfers power seamlessly. The final seal is crucial before activation. Built for the toughest environments, this diesel powerhouse utilizes an advanced fuel injection system, meticulously calibrated.
Power transmission is the process by which raw energy is converted into controlled, usable force. These gearboxes achieve that with unparalleled precision.
The undercarriage is the bedrock of the machine. It needs to be incredibly strong to handle the immense forces of excavation.
The crawler system is the backbone of this heavy machinery. Here, the robotic arms precisely align the massive.
The installation of these massive drive motors requires absolute precision, ensuring the undercarriage can handle the immense torque required for excavation. The RX-2000 robot ensures precise placement, minimizing human risk. Every pane is sealed airtight, a critical safety feature in these cabins.
Look, we designed this cabin with the operator's comfort in mind. The ergonomic controls and high-resolution digital screens.
This is where the intelligent electronics come into play. The electronic control unit manages the flow of power and data, optimizing performance in the field.
These LiDAR sensors are the brains of the operation, allowing the excavator to map its environment in real-time 3D, enhancing both safety and precision. This highly anticipated moment marks the final integration phase. The chassis must align perfectly with the powertrain before the tracks are fitted.
In ultra-slow motion, the hydraulic pin slides into the housing. This connection is the heart of the machine, distributing the massive forces across the chassis. The sheer scale of this articulation is groundbreaking. Notice how the servo motors engage, distributing the load seamlessly across the boom. This ultra-detailed view highlights the pressurized hydraulics. As the piston extends, the bucket articulates with precision, demonstrating the precision.
Standing fully assembled for the first time, this is the culmination of thousands of man-hours and the pinnacle of modern industrial design.
Through precise robotic application, this bright yellow coating provides an ultra-durable barrier, essential for resisting corrosion in harsh industrial environments. Inside the temperature-controlled booth, the specialized thermal spray gun applies a photorealistic coating. This high-tech process. The application of the brand decal require absolute precision. Using specialized tools and heat, the technicians ensure a flawless.
The factory floor relies on the precision of hydraulic systems. These robotic arms, powered by pressurized fluids.
Lubrication is critical for these high-precision engines. The robotic arm injects the perfect amount of synthetic oil before the coolant system. The moment the prototype engine roars to life marks the beginning of Phase 1 testing, assessing performance under initial load.
As the arm begins its first rotation, we closely monitor the hydraulic pressure to ensure precise calibration across all axes.
To guarantee peak performance, every bucket undergoes rigorous operational testing, ensuring the hydraulics deliver ultra-smooth movement even under extreme loads. Mobility is crucial for these heavy machines. Here at the factory, the new WH200 undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it. Through rigorous digital diagnostics and meticulous inspection, these systems guarantee unparalleled quality assurance across the entire production line. To ensure peak performance, this machine must demonstrate its digging force. The bucket pressure and cycle times are precisely measured against the competition. Capable of lifting over 40 tons, this machine demonstrates the extreme limits of its hydraulic power. The strain is visible, yet the lift remains steady. The Shah Tractor 7 undergoes final preparations here, starting with a high-pressure wash to remove all traces of the factory floor.
Thanks to the tireless efforts of teams like these, the Shah Tractor 7 program has exceeded all expectations.
From this state-of-the-art facility, the Shah Tractor 7 begins its journey. Meticulously loaded, these excavators are bound for worldwide delivery. Built here in the heartland, these massive Shah 7 excavators are now ready for deployment across the globe, ensuring vital infrastructure projects stay on schedule.
The Shah Tractor 7 is built for the toughest conditions, delivering unmatched real-world performance.
This machine is absolutely incredible.
Modern engineering transforms raw steel into one of the world's most powerful excavators, the Shah Tractor 7.